Hi everyone, and today on our first episode of How to Adult, we are going to teach you how to set up the Brother ce1100prw and how to do a basic stitch with it. So first you want to take your thread and you need to thread your needle. There's a little guide on the top of the machine that shows you how to do it, but you go through the first two loops, down, around, over and through, and then down to the bottom. Wrap it around, pull through, okay, and we're going to start again. Back stitch. Okay, so to back stitch, there's a little button right here. This is what we're going to use to back stitch. So you start your stitch, back stitch, start your stitch, back stitch, keep going.